Well, City Council voting Tuesday evening to install outdoor warning systems to alert when there is a tornado warning. Our Brenda Lepenski spoke to the city and the company making them about the new plan.
Images of destruction from the 1970 tornado that killed 26 people and displaced many. It's an image director of emergency management, Joe Mowdy, says they want to help prevent from happening again.
It's important to have multiple ways to alert the public of an impending danger or risk to their health. In this situation, cell phones can fail, NOAA weather radios can fail, other notification systems can fail.
So Tuesday, the city voted on a $700,000 project to install 45 emergency sirens across the city, selecting Goddard Enterprises of Oklahoma to lead the installation.
We had a committee of 6 members that reviewed the proposals for the rates, for the security of the system.
Logan Schultz, operation manager of the company, says the 2001 130, as they call it, is automatic, meaning the city can set parameters on when they can go off.
These sirens are AC powered with battery backup, which means they have the ability to operate in the event that the power goes out during the storm.
It can also be heard from a mile away.
I compare that to like an airplane engine. Maybe a very loud rock concert if you're up close to it.
As for Mowdy, he says they're expecting to be done within 120 days, but still recommends residents prepare themselves for emergency weather.
We want them to have as many notification systems as they can, whether that's NOAA weather radios, LBK alert, news weather apps that send those alerts. We want them to be safe.
Brenda Lepenski, KLBK News.